as anyone is going to get into this business and they start doing deals, doing sales, you're going to have some random ass person pop into the mix.
Yeah.
Right. And with real estate, it is generally the biggest transaction people make in their lives. Right.
Yeah.
Period. And so they want to feel confident in it. And you can't just wave off the said third party. You have to learn how to navigate that a lot better, even if it is an attorney and the attorney just decides to redline your whole fucking contract. And that has happened to me before, but we still made it work.
I walked away from something.
Don't ever say no to them running it to their attorney, though, right?
Yeah,
then you sound just super shady.
Yeah,
you don't want to sound shady. Like, okay, but don't be afraid to put your foot down when an attorney tries to change up your entire contract and like destroy the whole thing. Like, no, like I'm not signing that. Like, that's not what we agreed upon. My contract is very fair, blah, blah, blah. And I had to do that when we were buying a triplex to where she sent it to her attorney. And then I get my contract back and legitimately every paragraph was redlined. Yeah, I have like a page and a half contract. Like, what are you doing? Like, no, I'm not signing this.
And so then, like, it's not even a fair request in what they're doing. You know what I mean? Like, and I tell sellers all the time, like, our contracts, like, to be honest with you, yeah, it protects me, but it's really no harm to you. You know, so when they go and you know what I mean? Like, it's literally just to protect me, you know, an offer that we're making you. But for you, when they come back and they start redlining everything, like, bro, all of this is like bad on me. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, fair is a good way of putting it.
And so you guys got to understand, right? The attorney's doing that just to show their customer that they actually do shit. If I send it to my attorney says, "Oh yeah, good." Like, why the fuck did I just get a bill for $500 for your hour of work then? Right? They're gonna go read through it. Okay, yeah, this, nope, not that, nope, won't do it, not that, blah, blah, blah. And then you move forward. But as far as like those third-party people, if you ever deal with anyone old, you're generally gonna get someone who is some type of third party. And if they're an older seller, I suggest you get a third party anyways, just so you don't do any shady shit.